This is Animal Nature, but more epic jumps. Number 3. We're using the tablet instead of the phone that we used the last time, but this is it. I showed you the tablet in the last video with the phone, but now we're using this.
Okay, we are a part of Animal Nature, yeah, and this is our 3rd video, and it's going to hurt like this. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, and this is a special edition because I'm just going to be standing right here and she gets to do whatever she wants to do.
Yes, this is going to be payback.
Ow. Okay, but come on.
Okay, let's go.
So you got all your products over here. Ugh. Boy. Stand right here. Stand so they can see. Get on your knees.
Oh, there's.
She used that product, and we have more of them.
Wait, stop. A rat tail.
No!
I told you it was gonna hurt like this.
Wish you were not me right now. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Please. Go whatever this card is. Yeah.
Put that down, boy. Whip it. Do that. Yeah.
Oh, oh. You're torturing me with my own pillow.
Get down on your knees, little boy.
You're done.
Making a video.
Randomizing it. We don't even know what is supposed to go on.
Where's your tablet then?
Right there.
I think it broke my... With my own pillow.
Tell you to fight, boy. Did I tell you to fight? This is my feeling right now.
Oh.
And this is his feeling.
Yeah, boy.
Wait.
What is that? Hey, you guys see? Oh! Oh!
Get over here.
Oh.
Done with that product. Lay down. Lay down on the blanket, boy.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you,
You
my
think
God.
I'm helping you?
Yes.
Just wait for this, guys.
Oh, I love this. She's putting me in a blanket.
Oh,
Wait, no! What are you doing? What are you doing? What is she doing? I'm still breathing, ain't I?
okay, this is all the items we have.
And then we're gonna do one more round with them.
No.
I just made her mad.
No. Got him. Okay, that was our second round. We out. Animal nature out.